Welcome back, everyone. So we're going to work on a 2015 Ford Taurus today. We're going to put one of these guys in. Super simple. It's just a washer pump. Okay, so right here you have three 5.5 millimeter. Yeah, 5.5. 1, 2, down there on the bottom. Get those out, and it's literally right there. So it's super simple. We're literally going to take less than 5 minutes to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, put the new one in. Ideally, if it's, if the washer fluid reservoir is empty, that's awesome. If it's not the end of the world. You're just going to lose some of your fluid. So this plug right here, that pushes into the reservoir. And that right there is where your outlet goes. And then up here is your electrical connector. Super simple to do. They just wiggle it back and forth, pull up top, and kind of pull on the bottom, and the old one will come out. So I'm going to get this done. So I got the old one out. This is the old one. That's the new one. So they're pretty similar. Obviously the old one's a little shorter, but not a big deal. This top connector is just a little crimp connector, so super easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and put this new one back in, and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, and there's the new pump in. Pretty simple, nice and easy. Make sure and pull the little rubber grommet out of the washer reservoir for the old pump, and use a new one. Most of the new ones have the filter built in, and it's not in the pump like the OE pump is. But super short video for this one. Again, all you need is a 5.5 millimeter socket and a 1/4 inch ratchet. If you don't have one, grab a crescent wrench. A small crescent wrench works just fine too. But any questions, leave them down below. Like, subscribe, comment, share us. Deuces.